Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this error, launch failed with error code LS-0013, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first what you're going to do is you're going to close out the Epic Games launcher, and once you're done with that, open up your start menu, right run, go into app data, go into local here. Here you're going to find the folder called Epic Games Launcher, so just click on any folder, press E on your keyboard. Here it is. You're going to go into it, go in saved. You'll have this web cache folder. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder. And once you're done with deleting this folder, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here Epic Games. You're going to right click on it, click open file location, right click on it again, go into open file location again, right click on it again here, go into properties, go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, and then click OK. After that, run Epic Games Launcher up. And once you're in the Epic Games Launcher, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your library here, and then you're going to look for Hogwarts Legacy here. I'm going to use GTA as an example. You're going to go into these three dots on Hogwarts Legacy, go into manage, click this installation file here, and then right click on Hogwarts Legacy, go into properties, go into compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and then click run this program as an administrator. Click OK then, and now go ahead and play your Hogwarts Legacy from here, and you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.